all.
What you eating, Carson?
Cookie.
You eating a cookie?
What about me? Take a picture
And what's
of
this?
me, Dad.
Carson. Cream, ice cream. Is it yummy? Yum yum cookie and ice cream. Chocolate covered Oreo.
With sprinkle.
With sprinkles. Take another bite.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Is it delicious? It is. That cookie's been waiting for you.
That's my boy. Oreos. Chocolate covered Oreos.
Hey, take a picture of me eating my ice cream.
There's Aaron. What are you eating?
Ice cream. Yum, yum.
So good.